Put ice cubes in cold water, add some of their biscuits in the water if they won't eat the cool. Then they're getting lovely cold water, ice cubes and some of their biscuits. The only way she'll have the icy cold water, keeps her cool. And she's got this band cool on. You immerse that in cold water, wring it out and put it on their necks. You can buy it at pet stores. It's lovely and cold for them. There you are, keeping cool. She's going to drink all that, get down to her biscuits. Hopefully they're nice. Have your biscuits, Evie? Have your biscuits? One way of keeping them cool. She's also got a fan on her. Spoiled and loved, but dogs get too hot, don't they, this weather? Good girl, enjoying the ice and the cold water and biscuit.